Yo, alright, so we're at this property here. Customer called us out to replace the lead main. So that's the mains there, and that's the drain. Now the idea was to go through it. So if I count it, I think it would have been about a 15-meter run. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, yeah, so about 12 and up to here, so just under 15 meters. But when I tested that stopcock, everything went off. So we was able to go into the the living room, and we found this MDPE here. Now this looks like it's been put in fairly recently, and I was like, it seems to come through the air brick as well underneath, and then continues in that direction. So I believe they've already done this. And then from doing that, just come back over here. They then dug up the concrete here and then connected onto this copper. So I believe the lead main has been taken out. However, it does reconnect back onto lead in certain spots. So you see here, I believe that feeds the kitchen sink, the cold, alright? And then if I go upstairs, the toilet is still on the mains where it's hidden in the wall. I think that's actually gravity feed, sorry. And then they've got one of these old hot water tanks. So they've got it run off immersion, that's been broken off at some stage. It's one of these old school tanks here. Alright, we've had this in the past. And it's sitting on, and this is not even linked up to, get back in there you. This is not linked up to the boiler. This hot water tank, yeah, this hot water tank runs only off immersion. I believe that pipe there is the feed for it. See, that comes down on lead. So really they want to get rid of all the lead. If I go back downstairs, there was a new boiler put in here before they bought this property. That's the room stat. They've got some other lads working here at the moment. Nice and clean. And then they put a heat only boiler in. However, this heat only boiler, it just does heating. So they've only put a boiler in just for heating. So one of a slightly older couple who didn't want to get rid of their old water tank and put a coil. So it's literally just a heat only. And it's funny, it's a Valent EcoFit Pure with an ideal filter. So I don't know what's going on there, but as long as it works. So I'm proposing to the customer to look, if you're thinking of doing like a conversion where they're going to convert the loft, they may want to put a combi in, but they're saying they want to move the boiler from here, which makes sense because obviously it's the living room. So I said to him, his other option then, try not to bust my ass walking in this place. His other option is to put the boiler on this back wall over here. Okay? Because then he can put like a 32 or 36 kilowatt boiler. At the moment it's a 3-bed property, but they're definitely going to convert the loft. So I think they'll be used for 4 with an ensuite, or maybe even a 5. So they'll need the additional power just to feed the house. So yeah, we'll have to quote him for a new mains coming in from that MDPE down there. Potentially just an isolation valve here because the new main has already been done. So they may just want an MDPE up here through the floor. And then new boiler here with the tanks being ripped out. So quite a lot to do.